Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Navitel T787 tablet, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So on the third place in my tab is Navi Launcher. So just open the Play Store and find here Navi Launcher, and click Install. Click Open. Wait a while. Agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps and click OK. And great. As you can see, here we have really light interface with alphabetical line. Using this alphabetical line, we can easily search for any applications. So if you want to find Play Store, for example, just tap your finger on this alphabetical line and drag it to P button. And as you can see, here we have Play Store, play music, play videos, play games, and other applications started with P later. Okay. And as you can see, this theme is really minimalistic. Here, of course, we have normal search by text, and that's it. So it's really minimalistic launcher with minimalistic interface and handy app search in future. Great. On the second place in my tab is Smart Launcher 6. So just find it, Smart Launcher 6. Find it and install. Click Open. And great, now we need to set it up. So click I agree, continue. Location, I don't want to provide location access, so then allow. You can set up suggested wallpapers, switch it. So you can pay for premium, but you can use it completely for free without paying for it. So just click on the cross on the right up corner of the screen. And great. So I don't want, okay. Alright. So great. And now here on this launcher we have really great apps grouping feature. So all apps are grouping by groups, and here as you can see we have contact, internet, games, media, utilities, and settings. Of course we have normal apps, app search, and here we have smart search feature, and it's really handy to use. And why I like this launcher, because here we have really great wallpapers gallery with really great wallpapers. So for example, if you want to find any new great wallpaper, so just open the wallpapers gallery, and for example I want to set abstract wallpaper, so click apply, wait a while, and great, as you can see wallpaper was successfully changed. So okay. And on the first place in my tab is Microsoft Launcher. Of course, Microsoft Launcher, because Microsoft Launcher is most functional launcher ever. So just find it, Microsoft Launcher, find it and install. Click Open. Get started. Put in the app. Hello. Continue. Skip. Okay. Continue. Let go. Okay, and here I need to rotate it. Wait a while. Okay. So great. So here we have really great launcher. Why? So firstly, because here we have really handy features. So we have here 2 lines of favorite tabs. Here we have main menu. In the main menu, we have the alphabetical line, and here we have apps hiding features. So we can hide unused apps. For example, we don't need SIM toolkit in our main menu. We can hide it. And we can do it with other apps too. Here we have glance panel. In the glance, we can set up our favorite widgets. So you can locate all your favorite widgets on the left side of your home screens, and you will don't need to swipe from left to right, from right to left, between thousands of home screens to find your widget. And you have all your widgets here in the glance. And of course, here in the launcher settings, we have gestures. In the gestures, we can set up, for example, 2 finger swipe up. We can do it with apps, for example. We can now open calculator, swiping from down to up using 2 fingers. Great, that's it. So, thanks for watching. Like this video. I hope you will like one of these launchers, and bye. See you.